Yeah, my name is Marcus Asare, and today in this lesson, I'm going to take you through the Twi alphabet. We are going to look at the Twi alphabet, and then we'll also proceed and look at the vowel sounds in the Twi alphabet. We will also talk about the consonant. After knowing these two categories, we will move ahead and look at some special sounds and how they are being pronounced in the course of the formation of words. We will also proceed and look at some other areas. Forming of two-letter words, three-letter words. Maybe it might not start from this beginning of the lesson, but as we are proceeding, the formation of words will surely come. But before that, I have to take you through the Twi alphabet and know how they are being sound, and then the vowels, and then the consonants in this lesson. That is the purpose of the lesson. Enti ene yebesua Twi akyerɛwde. Today we are going to learn about the Akan or the Twi alphabet. Adesua no botai. The purpose of the lesson. The purpose of this lesson is to introduce learners' attention to the Akwamu Twi, which many refer to as Akuapem Twi. We are going to talk about the Akwamu Twi. And before that, we will look at the alphabets and then we will continue. Lesson objective. Nia ɛsesa wohwɛ anaasɛ wohwehwɛ wɔ adesuade mu. What we intend to achieve at the end of this lesson. By the end of the lesson, learner will be able to 1. Write and pronounce the Akan Twi or the alphabet correctly. And nti adesua no awie no mu no, yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ asuafo no ibetumi ehu ɛyɛ Twi akyerɛwma no anaasɛ Twi akyerɛwde no ɛna sɛdeɛ mu biara yɛbɔ ne fa. Also, the learners will be able to identify the vowel sound and the consonant. Afei asuafo no nso ibehu ɛne nnyigyeyi ahoro anaasɛ dodoɔ a yɛwɔ wɔ Twi akyerɛwde no mu. Ne yɛatɔ akɔ so ahwɛ the consonant anaasɛ enum nnyigyeyi no. So ɛne nnyigyeyi yɛ the vowels, the vowel sound. Ɛno nti yɛnsɛe bere no, ma yɛnhyɛ ase. Let us begin. Ɛno nti Twi akyerɛwde a ɛdi kan a wɔrehunu yɛbɔ no sɛ a, b, d, e, ɛ, g, h, I, k, l, So there is a difference between the and then the The you could see that the mouth is more closed, and the tongue touches the upper part of your mouth. The palate, the upper part of it. The you could see the tongue is so close to it. And the next character is O. O. Then O. O. The O is like an inverse of C. Po. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. U. W. W. J. J. So these are the alphabets when we come to the Ghanaian language. Twi, Akan language. These are the alphabet. So let us go through again quickly. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, J. Okay, and Tisesiano, Yehu, Ayatwi Acherodeno. We have gone through the Twi alphabet by knowing the A, B, D, E, and so on and so forth. Here we are going to look at the special characters and their sound. This one too, we also need it. We need it for, going ahead, we need it for the formation of words. So we can't do away with it. So let us look at this special sound too. The first letter we see, which is the H, and then the J, which is the HY. The sound is sh, sh. And the next letter or letters, which is the HW, which is H, and then W, is called sh. The sound is sh, sh. Then the K and the Y, which is K and J, also sound ch, ch. And the K no, and a J no, is sound emaning, ch. Then the T and W, which is T and W, will also give you the sound ch, ch. Then we also have the N and then the J, which is N, and the Y also give you N, N, N. And then we also have D and W, D, and then the W, which is D and W, also give you the sound J, J, J. And then the G, Y, which is the G, and the J, also give you J, J, J. Then we have the N and then the W, which is the N, and the W also give you M, 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 M. So going ahead, we'll look at how these special characters or sound also forms words, how we can form words with it. We need to know them so that whilst we are moving ahead, we will definitely come across and we should know them. We need to know them. Says you know, yababa the Twi alphabet ni biem na afie ya peke ɛyɛ ɛne nnyigye na consonant no anaasɛ ɛnum nnyigye no afim. We are going to identify the vowels and then the consonant in the Twi alphabet. So on this note, let's move ahead and then look at the vowels and then the consonants. Okay, so identifying the Twi vowels and the sound from the Twi vowel sound from the consonant. So let us look at the vowels. And then those that has a red indicators beneath are the vowels. So you can see that a has a red indicator. So a is a vowel. E is a vowel. E is a vowel. I is a vowel. U is a vowel. O is a vowel. U is a vowel. Nti wohwɛ ɛyɛ ɛne nnyigyɛ yi a yɛde nneɛma nkɔkɔɔ line nkɔkɔɔ atɔ ase no a ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛno yɛ ɛne nnyigyɛ. All those characters with red labels beneath are the vowel sound in the Twi language, in the Akan language. These are the alphabet. These are the vowel sound. And the rest without the red indicators are the consonant, which is enum nnyigyɛ, enum nnyigyɛ. And the vowels are ene, ene, voice, ene nnyigyɛ. Okay. Ene nnyigyɛ no egu ahorow ahe, anaasɛ ne dodow yɛ ahe. How many vowel sounds are there in the Twi alphabet? And nti yɛba bɛhwɛ ɛne nnyigyɛ ahorow anaasɛ ne dodow a yɛwɔ. There are 7 vowel sounds in the Twi alphabet, and these vowel sounds include a, e, I, U, O, U. Let's take it again. A, E, I, U, O, U. And nti saa Twi akyerɛw mmɛyɛ a mabobɔ yi anaasɛ akyerɛwde a mabobɔ yi ɛyɛ maako ɛson. Yɛnka 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Saa mmaa dodoɔ ɛson yi ɛna yɛfrɛ wɔn ɛne nnyigyɛ. These are the vowels. These are the vowels of the Twi alphabet. There are 7 vowels in the Twi alphabet. Enum nnyigyɛ nso dodoɔ ahe ɛna yɛwɔ. Yɛwɔ enum nnyigyɛ maako dunum. There are 15 consonants in the Twi alphabet. And these consonants include, starting from B, and then D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, W, J. All these 15 characters or alphabets are what we refer to as the consonant. Enum nnyigyɛ, enum nnyigyɛ. Adesua no awie, the end of today's lesson. In wrapping up, today we're able to look at the Akan or the Twi alphabets from A to J. Then we were also able to look at the vowels and then the consonants. So we're able to identify the vowels and then the consonant. And we also proceed and also talk about some special sound or special characters that in the course of this lesson, we'll be able to meet them on the way. So we're able to learn about the alphabet and how they are being sound. We also talk about the vowels and then the consonant. And we say the vowels are ene nnyigyɛ, and then the consonants are enum nnyigyɛ. And then we also have the special characters. So today we'll end the lesson and then we'll meet another time. When we meet for the next lesson, we are going to look at how to form words, the formation of words. We'll look at how to form simple words, and then form sentences, and so on and so forth. On this note, I say bye bye and hope to see you in the next lesson.